Hey everyone, welcome to our weekly Forex analysis. Today we're gonna review one pair or two pairs just to show you how our multiple time frame works, and also we are gonna be letting you know that we are doing our sale promotion 40% off. So today for our Black Friday sale, so go ahead guys, the sale start today. It's 40% off that you're gonna get all the products that we have. So let me go ahead and show you one or two pairs how to use our multiple time frame. But once again guys, thank you for coming in. As you all know, this is Tim with Urban here. If you want the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified so you don't ever miss any video from us. So let me show you how our multiple time frame works. It's very easy, very straightforward, no magic. It's just a matter of following rules and so on. So this is how you do it. First thing first guys, is we're always looking for our multiple time frame to go in the same direction of our TWE sniping entry. Our TWE sniping entry will be giving you stairs. So when it's bearish, it's gonna create stairs coming down and letting you know the market is only selling. Look at here, this is GBP JPY. GBP JPY has been selling for a long time. And what I like to give you here guys in our channel, I like to give you basically I like to analyze the market only on real data. What is going to happen today, tomorrow, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. I don't like to create samples and scenario what happened in the past, because in the past it's not going to help you. So I just wanted to always help you in reality. So what we're looking for is that so using multiple time frame is very easy, very straightforward. We also have created a white multiple time frame arrow letting us know that we're in a sell. We also have our blue multiple time frame, and look at the red arrow coming down as a sell. Everything says a sell, 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 sell. Multiple time frame confirm again that we are officially in a continuation of the sale, and that is only what the market is selling. Look at here, market is selling, right? Look at what multiple time frame is matching the continuation of the sale. Look at what the market is doing. Boom. Look, this is the weekly analysis that I give you on Sunday. I say guys, the market is still gonna drop down, retesting previous multiple time frame in here. Look at that, perfect hit. What happened from there? I said market was gonna do a pullback, retesting your 61 to your 50 Fibonacci level, which also had evidence of support and resistance in this area here. Look at that. From there, I said market was gonna give us a red arrow somewhere in here. So market has not created that, but look, the market is heading in the same direction that I told you. It's that simple, guys. Using multiple time frames, very easy. So you're also gonna be getting our TWE dashboard. So everything is gonna be a 40% off. So it's a damn pretty good deal, guys. It's less than buying a coffee, to be honest, because the system is already cheap. So everything you're gonna get. So how are you gonna get it, right? That's the question of the day. So what you need to do is you need to go. By the way, guys, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Today is a national holiday. We celebrate here in the United States, Canada, Grenada, St. Lucia, and Liberia. We just want to wish you a very, very happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your family and so on. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the website, guys, also how you're gonna be getting it. So let me go ahead and bring the website in here. So what you do, one quick reminder to everyone, guys, always check the market news. Go to the top here, and then you have the economic calendar, forex calculator, and so on. I like to use the community outlook. We can talk about this in another session, but come here where it says multiple time frame indicator store. You can click on the store here, and there it is. So we have our trend candle, our TWE sniper entry, our RSI, and we also have our multiple time frame. So when you click here, it's gonna take you to the store. So it's gonna ask you want to add it to your shopping cart. So you're gonna add it, yes, and then in here, so you're gonna put one, right? Because you're buying only one, not two. Then you're gonna do view card. Then in here, you're gonna put this code, guys. This is the code that you're gonna be using. You're gonna look at it right now. I just put the Black Friday 40% off, and then from 314 it comes to 188.40. That's plus tax. So that's a damn pretty good deal. So if let's say you add multiple multiple items, right? So you can go back and let's say we're gonna add let's say we add our TW sniper entry. A lot of you guys are in urban. I want to get the TW sniper entry is 97 bucks plus tax is 102.82. So you can add that. Let's say you're gonna add that one, then you go to your shopping cart once again and you add the same code. Look at what happens. So in here, so we're gonna remove this, or either let's eliminate this one so you can see it, right? Look at this one, adding everything together with your multiple time frame and your TW sniper entry. All you're gonna be paying is only $250. That's a damn pretty good, not even the price of once. So because you're getting this TW sniper entry, you're getting it for 60 bucks. That's a dang good deal. And that's it. If you guys make sure, guys, I want everyone to remind you guys, make sure you do sign up to our Telegram channel, because a lot of you guys are buying it but you guys are not joining our YouTube channel. Make sure you do that, so like that you have access to our class. So we just doing our Black Friday sales start now, don't miss it. So on the weekend when we do our weekly analysis, we're also gonna be giving you a deal of our Cyber Monday. Let me know if you guys want me to keep the 40%, or I was thinking 30%, but let me know in the comment below if you guys are interested. But you're gonna like it. So hopefully I get to see you guys. It's very easy to use the to use multiple time frame. Here's another example that I give you over the weekend. For instance, look, let's pay attention to look, the market is the market. So in here, bottom line, GBP, all the GBP JPYs are in a sell. All the JPY are in a sell. I already told you very clearly, when the market is bullish, it's gonna create this green arrow, this green stair here, letting you know the market is in a buy position. When it sells, it's gonna be red and done deal. So it's that simple. Look at those sell. So what do you guys think? So hopefully I get to see everyone on the other side, guys. And remember, it's a Thanksgiving, it's a national holiday celebrating here in the United States, Canada, Grenada, Santa Lucia, and Liberia. So I want to wish everyone a very successful, healthy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your family, and don't forget, this is our TWE sniper entry on sale and so on. So once again, guys, thank you for watching us, and enjoy this special holiday, and I will see you on the other side of the channel. God bless you, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. Peace out. Bye bye.